Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OneDrive branding folders for client collaboration, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure OneDrive branding folders for client collaboration, start by logging into your OneDrive account. Navigate to the My Files section to access your stored documents. Select the folder you want to use for client collaboration or create a new one. Right-click on the folder and choose Share from the context menu. In the sharing options, enter the email addresses of your clients. Choose the appropriate permission level, either can view or can edit. If desired, add a custom message to inform your clients about the shared folder. Click Send to share the folder with your clients. Next, open the shared folder and click on the eye icon in the upper right for details. From the Details pane, find the section labeled Manage Access. Here, you can review and modify permissions as needed for each client. To brand the folder, upload your client's logo or relevant branding materials into the folder. Ensure the branding files are named appropriately for easy identification. Consider creating subfolders for different types of documents or media. Use clear naming conventions for each subfolder to maintain organization. Once everything is set up, communicate with your clients about accessing the folder. Provide them with any necessary instructions on how to navigate and use the shared folder. Regularly check the folder to ensure all files are up to date. Encourage clients to upload their documents directly into the designated areas. This will streamline collaboration and keep everything organized in one place. By following these steps, you'll create an effective branding folder in OneDrive for seamless client collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.